Hi guys, good evening my viewers, good evening my subscribers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Apande Hawa. As usual, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe. Subscribe so that we can move one step forward. Whoa, I don't want to leave you behind. We should always move together. Today is the 5th day of December 2023, the birthday of our baby lMMRAN. With much rain, there is no way of moving out. All people that are inside their houses. We are also here taking shelter, and we don't know how we are going to celebrate with others, but as a family, we are also here waiting for the rain to stop. Then we see who will join us next. I think you can see one of the bypassers when it's with umbrella trying to escape the rain. That is what is happening. People are indoors. People are taking shelter. Rain in Uganda is not a problem. From time to time, there is rain. Rain, every time rain. So, really, we did not say that the rain will not be there. We expected it. We expected this much rain. As a family, we are preparing this food for lunch. That food you see there, it's for our lunch. But for the visitors who are coming for the party, we have already packed everything which we prepared for the party. We have packed everything very well and covered everything very well. So we are going to get our lunch. Then we see how we are going to be giving out the cake to different families by taking it to each home, from home to home. All the neighbors, all the nearby people, all our neighbors who are near us here, we have already made a list of nearby people to get at least a piece of cake and something little on top of that. We are going to pack for them. We are going to pack for them, but it is a happy birthday for baby lMMRAN. Baby lMMRAN, can you say Jambo Jambo? Can you say Jambo Jambo? Yes, with much rain. People do say that when you be with a party, then it rains heavily like this. You are a person of good luck. Meaning our baby is of good luck. God loves lMMRAN. He also loves God. And we are here not to be annoyed, but we are also happy for the rain. It will bring us food, maize, and other things to eat. So Let me stop up the video. I'm trying to show you how the day is. And I'm saying bye-bye. Musibura Bantu. Bye-bye for now. A happy birthday for baby Imran with much rain. Bye-bye. Next video.